he has that have no like needle. They're taped to his wrists as if they're like an IV. But
why did you move over there just to regret exiting?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Weird.
A red pen would have sufficed.
Yeah. And we know how much fake blood he had for this.
Oh, it's very funny.
Just angle out.
Everybody angle out or we'll never stop. All right.
Look away.
No, stop.
Okay, so.
Ups.
Okay, so now after
Stop
a long day of sitting quietly.
There we go.
Messel left.
All right, Waylon.
It's gorgeous. And it plays very well to the cameras. Plus, it sounds like they are going to get a great
Exit dive.
of weather.
How's
The
this guy
Masters is a
doing?
brutal place for the rain.
Well, you went across the thing. You get the idea.
The year Mike
Stop it.
won it.
Christian cinema, or it would be too obvious that our trips to England were scouting missions for a backup country. I'm your host, No Illusions. Heath is off again this week, but sitting 900 miles to my northeast is my band.
Red light, Ron.
How are you this fine afternoon? I don't
Yeah,
think
no wonder why that
that's-
guy
I know,
from
but
you didn't
let's
go
get some
yet.
context, at least. We're also excited.
No, stop.
50 miles away at a different, in a different place at a Waffle House. Yeah, listen, he's not the first person to black out and wake up and regain consciousness at a Waffle House. Okay, there are many people who have lost
What
their
the
sort
fuck
of,
is-
who have just sort of suddenly gone, huh? What? Where am I? Oh, it's a Waffle House. Okay, good. It's not teleportation. It's called drunkenness. Yeah. And it is happened to many.
Oh, look at that.
What's also important to point out,
That's a Yama. A lot of people like that. Me, McIntyre, 28-1. This is one of my guys this week.
In advance.
Played well last week.
Exit dive.
We've watched him play well before Major fast. I mean, he's thrown away golden opportunities. He's been right there.
Exit
A
dive.
player that no one questions is going to be one of the great
Cadillac.
players in the world in the next decade. I don't think there's any question about it. He already
hierarchical, in which women serve more of a role as symbols than people, and those symbolic women are often subjected to horrific abuse. The
No.
restoration of the proper order of the world in Deutero Isaiah involves the humiliation of the feminine. Ouch. Ouch indeed. Father Capricorn, welcome to hell.
Thank you, St. Peter.
Hello.
Nice cutoff.
My goodness, isn't that you, Jesus?
Indeed, it is I. You have
Left-hander out of Toledo, Ohio. It's been
Nice cutoff.
evidently impressing the scouts enough to come out. So we're going to see what happens there right after the break. You know, you just...
Exactly. Just gotta wait for it to roll up.
All right, so that,
Messel left.
I like that. And so, but
It's being formed, responding flexibly to matter and energy, and
No,
so
stop.
you can't make a whole without having.
No, stop. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run. I don't have a good Ramstein impression. I'm sorry. I wouldn't even know how to. What does red light run mean in German? Can anyone look that up? Nein! That's the only word I know in German.
That I shaved earlier for that medical procedure. Right, so they take out the magical die, and then Leia says it's bad luck to leave a box empty. And I'd never heard of that.
No.
Neither Dylan. He's like
No, right.
flying scared, and she's like, yeah, well, we're not leaving it empty. And she puts some little beads inside the box, and they close it up. And then Leia takes out a notebook that she had, and
Wait,
she
what
writes, It's a magical day.
What the hell's that truck doing over there? Where does he think he's going to go? Because I don't think you can cross that bridge there. And we're on the Bronx. This is the Bronx River Parkway, and the truck can't come over here. Like, what the hell's going on? Make sure I'm saving this. I don't even know it's to the right. And like the Google Maps doesn't have it as a road. I don't know what you're doing. He's like half on the sidewalk. Yeah. Like where he got lost. Alright, now he's coming over here. Like, you better come over here. You can't get on the parkway and you gotta go this way. Like, why the hell would you turn down here? Weird.
Is being formed, responding flexibly to matter and energy, and
no,
so
stop.
You can't make a whole without having.
Back up a shame.
Right, they did leave the land to be. That's the whole point.
That's exactly what they did.
Left the end, but just in case you were wondering.
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You can't be there if we happen to be in Connecticut. But we're not in Connecticut. We are in New York State on I-87 north of Albany. I don't think there's a truck restriction here, so you're okay, I guess. I just have to sing the stupid song because that's what I do in these videos. Speaking of videos, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can watch more of these videos because, well, they're fun. Yay. Alright, I'll catch up with you next time. Okay, bye!